First and foremost, Happy New Year to each and every one of you guys. I hope you guys had the best holidays. Also, we just hit 5,000 subscribers recently and I owe you guys a big thank you. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys for rocking with me since the beginning, and I'm so excited about what's in store for us on this channel this year. And to those who have been enjoying the videos and are not yet subscribed, you all know the vibe. Just hit the subscribe button. Anyhow, it is just the start of the year and I already have my Grail pickups of the year, as stated on the title of this video. Technically, I got these items right around Christmas time, so it really was a pickup from last year, but I figured it is best to save it until the new year to start the new year with a bang. So I'm gonna come clean and say that all the items that I have on this haul are all reps. The pieces came from Weidian, which is basically like Taobao, which is an online Chinese shopping platform. If you're not sure what that is, there's a lot of videos on YouTube. Quick disclaimer, I am not advocating or encouraging for anyone to buy fake products. I bought all of these items for my own personal use, and I bought these items solely because this is all I can afford. So do whatever you please with the information that I will provide you on this video. Also, quick shout out to my buddy who provided me the links to get these items. You know who you are. Let's start off with the Jjjjound New Balance 992 in brown. This shoe is definitely my longtime grail, and unfortunately I was not able to cop this during the drop in 2021, and there's no way I am paying resale prices for this one. So I went with the rep route instead. The shoe itself came in the same identical box as the original ones, and honestly there's really no way of knowing that these are reps as the box is pretty identical with the original ones. The shoe itself feels good on hand. I can vouch for the build quality as something that is really of high quality. And I have a buddy of mine who actually had an authentic pair, and we compared the stitching and the collar of that to the reps, and boy, they look identically the same. One thing that really stood out to me was how the rep pair was able to replicate the collar right, as this shade of brown is pretty hard to perfect, at least with what I have read from Reddit from other rep owners. So I'm pretty happy that my pair looks just as good as the authentic ones. I also did compare the reps to my authentic 992s, which is just the regular gray, and the build quality looks just as good. Not to mention the insoles of the rep were pretty comfortable. I was expecting that it won't be as comfortable as my regular 992s simply because I assumed that the insoles on the rep pair are not ortholite since it's a rep. But I could not tell the difference really when I wore both the rep and my regular 992s. I got a size 7.5 on the Jjjjound 992s, and it appears to be precise as this is my sizing with all my other 990 series New Balance sneakers. All in all, I'm definitely happy with the purchase. I mean, $45 US for this pair, so that's definitely not bad for how it looks and feels on feet. So I have mentioned in my previous video that I got my first Beta LT jacket, and actually it's jackets because I got 5 Arcteryx Beta LT jackets. 4 of them are the 2020 version and the blue one is the 2022 version. You might be wondering why I got 5. Well, the jackets are for both myself and my girlfriend. For some reason, she started liking the Gorpcore look as well, so we decided to get a few colors and share. My girlfriend has the black one currently, hence I only have 4 in my possession right now for this video. So the main reason why I got reps for the Arcteryx jacket is definitely the price. One Beta LT jacket is 550 Canadian dollars, and that's honestly too much for me since I'm only in it for the look and not for the technical aspects of the jacket, which is mainly used for hiking and whatnot. But that's not to say that what I got here is not good at all. The build quality on the rep jackets are definitely on par with some of my other North Face rain jackets. The zippers have smooth travel and they do not feel cheap at all. The warmth that the jacket provides is also good. I have tried mine outside when the temperature was right around 0 to -10 degrees Celsius, and it definitely checks out. Also, the jackets have the details as you would expect from the original one, such as the Beta LT logo in the left inside panel of the 2020 version. And one that really surprised me is that these jackets repel water just like the original one, and it's insane. I wasn't expecting this given that the jackets were a rep, but hey, I'm not complaining. And my favorite colors definitely are the gray and the blue ones for sure. Also, I should mention that the 2020 version, I got it for 63 Canadian dollars each, and the 2022 version is 83 Canadian dollars, and I got everything in a size large. For what it's worth, the items are definitely of good quality and I am definitely happy with what I got. And there you guys have it for my very first pickup of the year. Definitely happy to get my Grail, though it may be a rep, but it does not really bother me at all. For all I know, I am happy with what I got and I am content, not just for the shoe, but also the jackets as well, in terms of the quality, price, and the looks of the items. At the end of the day, fashion is fashion. We all wear what we feel confident in, and I genuinely believe that you do not have to be wearing something expensive to feel good about yourself or your outfit. And wearing a rep is never a bad thing. Not that I'm trying to justify my purchase here, but rather we all have our own preferences and we all live within our own means. So yeah, as far as I know, we all share the same love for fashion and that's all that matters. Also, if you like this video, please smash the like button to help a brother out and the channel. And again, thank you for 5,000 subscribers. I can't thank you guys all enough. And I hope you guys did enjoy this video as much as I did. And until next time, stay safe, stay fitted, peace.